Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a company that's been given the boot. It's a wild ride of delisting and market shifts, so buckle up. Let's decode what's happening with 1847 Holdings. It involves getting kicked off the NYSE American Stock Exchange and trying to find a new home on a different market. It's like musical chairs for stocks, and sometimes the music stops. If you appreciate unpacking corporate drama, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below. Let's continue. First off, the reason they filed this report on July 8, 2025 is because something important happened a week earlier. On July 1, 2025, that's the day a decision was made about their stock listing. So they had to file this report to tell everyone what's up. The big news is that the company's common shares, which traded under the ticker symbol EFH, are getting delisted from the NYSE American. This means you can't buy or sell their stock on that exchange anymore. The reason? NYSE American wasn't happy with the company's stock price. The whole process started back in April, when NC American told the company they were going to delist them. The company appealed, but on July 1, 2025, the appeal was denied. To give you the full story, on April 3, 2025, NC American said the company's shares were too cheap and they didn't meet the exchange's listing requirements, specifically Section 10(3) FAFI of their company guide. So they started the process to remove 1847 Holdings. The company fought back, asking a panel to review the decision, but it didn't work. On July 25, the company got a letter saying the panel agreed with the decision to delist them. Now, NC American is expected to file a Form 25 with the Securities and Exchange Commission to officially remove the company's stock. Once that form is filed, it'll take about 90 days or less for the delisting to take effect. Trading of the company's common shares on NC American was suspended on April 3, 2025. So they're trying to find a new place to trade their stock. They've applied to get listed on the OTCQB venture market, which is run by OTC Markets Group Inc. It's like moving from a major highway to a smaller local road. The application is being reviewed and the company says they'll let everyone know as soon as they have a date for when their stock will start trading there. To keep everyone in the loop, on July 8, 2025, they put out a press release about the delisting decision. This report includes a copy of that press release. It's all about being transparent and making sure investors know what's happening up to vote. 1847 Holdings is facing a tough situation. Getting delisted from an exchange like NYSE American can make it harder for investors to buy and sell their stock. It can also make it harder for the company to raise money in the future. On the other hand, moving to the OTCQB market could give them a chance to keep their stock trading and potentially attract new investors. The company's success will depend on how well they manage this transition and whether they can improve their financial performance to meet the requirements of a major exchange again someday. In conclusion, 1847 Holdings is navigating a challenging period. The delisting from NYSE American is a setback, but their efforts to move to the OTCQB market show they're trying to keep their stock accessible to investors. Keep an eye on their financial results and how well they adapt to this new environment. Alright, that's our breakdown of 1847 Holdings' latest filing. What are your thoughts on these events and what they mean for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.